Hey, just want to show you the double vanity's up. Do you have a mirror for here? Let me know. But double vanity is up. Alright. Gotta just put the doors in, but everything else is done. You got the two connections. It'll go into that one drain. So not too much of a problem. The plumber will tee it off. Here's your exhaust vent. Up here, so we got the cabinet up, all the pulls are in, you can see the faucet is in, all that you saw before, but looks pretty nice. We just got to put the sleeve up on that, but other than that we should be good to go. Electrical plug is in there as well, so it should come on. There you go, there's the lights. Boom. Alarm. We gotta do some patch up work here. That was for the old when we moved it over, if you remember. So, all right, man. Quick update.